Tongonan is the birthplace of geothermal power in the Philippines. The first commercial power plant started operation here in Leyte. Our operation is based on plus steam technology, in which we drill a fluid, geothermal fluid, which is composed of hot brine and steam. And then this is piped out from the underground, from the reservoir, and then it's the steam or the high pressure steam is separated in our separator vessels of the FCRS facilities in above ground. And then the clean steam, geothermal clean, is being piped out to the geothermal power plant, which directly hits the turbine, and the turbine rotates the generator which produces the clean and renewable electricity. To sustain a geothermal power plant operation for more than 4 decades is quite a feat, because usually the average life of a geothermal power plant is only 25 years. Our primary program is to maintain the health of the reservoir. So we have this what we call reinjection. All those brine that we have separated from the geothermal fluid and all those steam that condense in our condenser, we reinjected it back to the reservoir. So basically, this maintains the health of the reservoir and sustain the pressure and basically the life of the geothermal reservation. We have already conducted the major rehabilitation and upgrading. We have changed the turbines, we changed the generator rotors, and even rewind the generator stators. And all other major equipment were already replaced to extend the life for another, by that time it was only 37 years. So to maintain that, to extend the life to another 40 years. So we're expected to operate again up to 2046. As of now, the power plant is almost fully automated, fully computerized. So the operations now is more focused now on optimizing and monitoring the power plant, because they have less work on the manual adjustment. And they are more focused already on the safety of the operation. To maintain our current operation and even to further enhance our capacity, the company is now is not just planning, but we're rolling out a major rehabilitation of our other power plants, because Tongonan was rehabilitated and upgraded 5 years ago. But the other power plants also are now nearing the age of 30. So we'll be rehabilitating, starting with one of the power plants here, the Managdong power plant. We'll be rehabilitating that and upgrading it to a higher capacity in the next 3 to 5 years. Another is one of the power plant here in Upper Mahiyaw. We will be totally replacing the power plant and upgrade the capacity or increase the capacity from 130 to 200, at least 200 megawatts. And to support that, we are on the campaign of drilling more geothermal wells. We are exploring also for new technologies. For example, we are now experimenting with what we call ESP, electrical submersible pumps, that we will put inside the geothermal well. This is to revitalize and recover the capacity of old wells. We are also planning to have pilot power plants. These are modular binary plants that will be put in far places, so that we would not pipe the geothermal steam anymore to a certain big plant. So this would optimize the capacity of the geothermal areas in far places, and then it will also help our campaign for the environment, because this will not increase our footprint, because we will not be developing major roads. We will not be cutting areas for big power plants. So these are basically modular plants with a capacity of 10 to 15 megawatts.